How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money selling printable quote cards on Etsy. So let's get started first by opening Etsy.com to show you some examples of the product that you will be selling. So here, let's go to the search and let's type printable quote cards. So here I'm going to type printable quote cards like that and click on search to see all of the available persons or sellers that are selling the exact same product. And in a bit I'm going to take you to another platform or a tool that will help us know the amount of sales that they're making, when did they start selling that product, and all of the insights about their shop. So here, let's just wait for it to load, and then we will head to the shop page and directly go to the tool I have talked about, which will help us see all of the insight about their shop. So here it's still loading, so let's give it a few seconds. Then we will see we will choose a popular one, a popular product in here, like this one here. We have popular now, journal words, inspirational quotes, printable, and all of that. Here we have another inspirational quote cards, and all of these are digital products. And here we have another one, positive quotes, printable cards for motivation. We need to choose a popular product now, like this one in here, which is popular now. So let's choose this one, and here you can see that they are in demand. 2 people bought this in the last 24 hours. The product costs $1.15. And here you can see that it's a digital product. And guys, the reason why I like digital products is that you won't need to deal with any of the problems that the people who sell physical products deal with, from refunds, returns, or the time of shipping platforms, and all of these things you won't need to deal with. Here you will just upload your product and list it on Etsy. Then buyers will come, or clients will come, pay the amount of money that you're asking, then they will receive their product immediately, and there are no refunds or no returns in digital products. That's the policy of digital products. As you can see, no returns for digital downloads. So here you can see the terms of use, and the first one is no returns for digital downloads, as I said. So here, let's head to the tool I have talked about, which is Everbee. It's what we are going to use in order to spy on that shop to see how much money, or how to see the amount of money they are making with that one product. And also we are going to see the other products that they are selling and the money that they're making from those products in total. So here, let's wait for it to load. Then we will go to the shop analyzer, which is the tool we are going to use to spy on this shop. So here, let's go to the shop analyzer and let's wait for it to load, and we will come back to Etsy to take the name of this shop, which is by Boohoo Love. Let's copy this name and let's go to the search, type the name and click on search shop, and let's wait for it to load, and we will be able to see the amount of money that they are making with this one product. So here, journal words, inspirational, I think this is the product that we have now. So it was listed 29 months ago, and more than 300 people made it took it in their favorite list, which means most of these people are coming back for the product. And here, the shop was created 74 months ago. It's a long time. And here we have their total shop sales, more than 26,000 sales in total. Let's see how many how much sales they made with this one product. So here 709 reviews, and if we multiply that by 2, it will give us approximately 1,400 sales. I think 1,400 sales. And here you can see that they are making 48 sales per month based on the reviews, because half the people that buy the product leave a review. So you can just multiply the reviews by 2, and you will be left with the total sales that they made with that product. And if you can just make $2 times 48 sales, you will see how much money they're making with this product only in a month. And if you go to the other products, for example this other product in here, which was listed 1 month ago, let's see if they made any money with it or not. But I think they will not make as much money as this one. Here from just 2 months ago, they are already making 6 sales per month, and here they made 12 sales only in 2 months, which is 6 sales a month, and it's only for $7. So if you can just do the math again, you will see how much they're making with that one product as well. And you can do the same with the other products in their shop, and you will see how much money they are making from the method I'm teaching you right now. So here you can see that they have a total listings of 160 products, which is a lot, and a lot of money to be made. So here I'm going to show you how you can create products like this only using canva.com. So here let's go to canva.com, which is a platform where you can create products like this. In here you can just type journal words, or we can type printable quote cards, and we will see all of the templates that we can use in order to create products like that. So here let's type printable quote cards, and here I have typed printable. Let's change that. Here let's change that to printable, and you will be able to see all of the templates that you can use in order to create your own product like that product that we saw before. So here let's wait for it to load, and here you will be able to see a lot of the products that you can create. So here you can just add your touch and then list them on Etsy, and you will be able to make a lot of money with it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with